but we shall support Ariko. So let's get moving. Let's not go on with Kumaga Maga. Kumaga Maga is looking this way, that way. What do you call it in Ateso? What do you call it?
Airia.
Idea. We don't want any idea now. We look one way. If the one who wants to join us joins us, and we'll move forward. So, for me, I will talk to, because it's good that these children of my comrades are coming and running around their movement. Because even these people like Omoding, Ariko, who are in UPC, all the other people, we had joined in the UNLF, 1979. We had joined in the UNLF. It was a mistake again to bring back these parties. So real NRM is UNLF resurrected. So it's good that all these young people are coming back, like Jimmy Akena, like the children of Ben Chwanuka, the children of Tito Kero, all of them, and then everybody. So let's get moving. I will check.
Your Excellency, it's Ngora, TDDK.
Yes, Ngora, yes.
Yes.
Ngora was Kumi in the past.
Yes, sure.
You see, in my head is the old computer. This new data is not yet entered properly. Because I remember we went there.
That died. The late area Paulo Moding. Yes.
Was it 80 or 79?
1980.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because I remember very well.
Yes, Your Excellency, you're correct.
You were not yet born that time.
Your Excellency, I was born.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for...
With the mom in Rwanda, the two girls are married, living in UK and Cape Town.
Oh.
So I am the one that survives the old man in Uganda here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So we have come mainly for one item, but the others could be rejoin us to the one main item. When we met you at Kapchora State Lodge, we requested for a moment to have a consultative meeting in Soroti City East constituency, where we're having a by-election. And indeed, you supported us. We went there, we conducted a consultative meeting. And in that meeting, every delegate spoke in agreement of one candidate that we should sponsor as a party.
Our old man?
No. They spoke in support of Honorable Ariko, who is here with us. Honorable Ariko Herbert was a member of parliament before, and in the last election, he didn't go through, but he petitioned the election, and then the court ruled that we should repeat the election.
Your Excellency, in that brief submission of our people, about 7 potential candidates stepped aside in favor of Honorable Ariko, followed by Egunyu, and that consensus was in the interest of the party. That was the captive word. In the interest of the party, we will step aside in favor of the most popular candidate. Our recommendation, Your Excellency, that in future, in order to maintain the cohesion of the party, this should be the approach we adopt, and we'll discuss this further in SEC to see that we pursue this line.
Your Excellency, I would like to make 2 points. One of them is in reference to the court case, which threw out the other MP who were discussing roadmap to go and replace as NRM. The grounds, Your Excellency, are that it was the demarcation of the city which changed